So back in, I guess it was 2001, they brought on a gentleman by the name, who's still with the company, Andreas Steiner, who was actually the first CEO of Starlim North America. He was Austrian. And he was charged with the task of going out to the various communities in North America to find a location. It became clear that if they were going to locate in London, they would have to build a new facility.
It all started around 2002 back in Austria. There was I would say, people were asked who want to join for Starlim North America, because back in the days we didn't know roughly when the facility here will be up and running.
They certainly liked the Canadian culture. I think the other part of it was certainly the land. There's 17 acres here, enough room to grow, and then labor. I mean, I think skilled labor was very important. I mean, we're in the manufacturing heartland of southwestern Ontario, and so London turned out to be, at the end of the day, the right place.
When I started here, we had, I don't know, 6 or 7 employees, so now we have 140.
When I started, we were only using one bay. The other bay was closed off. Seeing it fill up and then the other side fill up was interesting through the years. I've always felt that this place was like a family.
I'm so proud to tell this. We have lots of good time.
I started here back in 2007. It allows me to learn a lot of things, and we have our leaders they are really supporting during that time.
We've gone through a recession, we've gone through a full expansion. So I've gone through, being in a little tiny office with a few employees, and now we're in this beautiful office. You're only as good as the legs you stand on. And Starlim's legs are its employees and its staff.
It was quite a journey. I really loved everything from day one. I met fantastic people, throughout the last 20 years. We are still holding strong, and I'm quite happy and lucky to be within Starlim.
There's always those opportunities that we're really excited about, and I think that will help us grow the business here, add more machines here, but also for our future expansion.
Yeah, it's kind of cool to be part of that legacy, because not very many people get to say that I've been with the company that long.
Cheers to 20 years.
Cheers to 20 years.
Cheers to 20 years.
Cheers to 20 years.
Cheers to 20 years. Let's go, Starlim.